had a wonderful day down at the beach shooting these pictures with my sister Lynn and David. It was partially cloudy, but Ned let me know that I had something in my teeth. I had just had coffee and a biscotti right before this, and Mary Lynn had already taken several frames of pictures by this point. We were laughing here because I had gotten my pants leg wet. We've walked many a day on this beach, even in the winters when it was blindingly cold. It's obvious how much we love this place, as we've bought a home here, but anyone can look at this beautiful ocean and know why.